So what is a qualified opportunity zone? Created in 2017 by the Tax Cut and Jobs Act, a qualified opportunity zone is an economically distressed community where new investments may be eligible for preferential tax treatment. Geographically the same size as the census tract, opportunity zones are low-income communities as defined by the federal government. This means that the census tract must have a poverty rate that is at least 20% or a median household income less than 80% of the metropolitan area's median household income. And of these low-income communities, 25% were allowed to be designated as an opportunity zone across the state. First designated in only 18 states in April of 2018, opportunity zones now exist in all 50 states. Per opportunityzones.gov, there are currently 8,764 opportunity zones in the United States currently. And what is their purpose? To put it simply, drive economic development and job creation in these areas.